Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT, the most advanced language model created by OpenAI. This model has been trained on a massive dataset of over 8 million web pages, making it the most knowledgeable AI yet. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts, making it capable of engaging in a conversation, answering questions, and even writing creative content. The model has been trained on a massive dataset of over 8 million web pages, allowing it to have a vast range of knowledge on a variety of topics. This makes ChatGPT one of the most advanced language models in the world, capable of understanding the context of a conversation and generating responses that are both grammatically correct and contextually appropriate. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, and its applications are virtually endless, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content generation and language translation. With its advanced language abilities, it has the potential to change the way we communicate and interact with information. ChatGPT works by using a transformer-based architecture, which is a type of neural network designed to process sequential data, such as text. The model is trained on a large corpus of text data using unsupervised learning, where it predicts the next word in a sequence based on the context of the words that came before it. During training, the model learns the relationships between words and the contextual cues that influence meaning. As a result, it can generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses to text-based prompts, even when the prompt contains incomplete sentences or missing information. When a prompt is given to ChatGPT, the model processes the input using its encoder, which transforms the input text into a mathematical representation. The decoder then uses this representation to generate the output text, one word at a time. The decoder takes into account the context of the input text and generates a response that is grammatically correct and contextually appropriate. The power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to generate text that is human-like, making it possible to use the model for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and language translation. ChatGPT has numerous applications in various industries due to its advanced language abilities and its ability to generate human-like responses. Some of the most notable applications of ChatGPT include chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to build conversational chatbots and virtual assistants for customer service, information retrieval, and other applications. With its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to a wide range of user queries and requests. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative writing, such as stories, articles, and poems. It can also be used to generate news articles, product descriptions, and other types of content. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it a powerful tool for multilingual communication. Question answering. ChatGPT can be used to answer questions by providing relevant and accurate information based on its vast knowledge base. Creative applications. ChatGPT can be used to generate music and poetry, showcasing its ability to generate creative output. These are just a few of the many potential applications of ChatGPT, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for this powerful language model in the future. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. With its ability to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts and its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content generation and language translation. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see ChatGPT play an increasingly important role in our lives, changing the way we communicate and interact with information. Whether it's through virtual assistants that make our daily tasks easier, or through creative applications that allow us to explore new forms of expression, ChatGPT is a technology that will continue to shape the future in exciting and innovative ways. And with that, we come to the end of our discussion on ChatGPT. I hope you found this information informative and engaging. If you did, please consider hitting the like button, sharing this video with others, and subscribing to our channel, Tech Hive. Your support helps us create even more informative and interesting content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.